So good evening. So I'll be um, my first activity is write a Java program that search linear search or binary search. The user will be prompted to choose the desired algorithm and the program will perform the search accordingly. So for this activity, so algorithm will be prompting the user to input the size of the array and then searching for the inputting the elements and then searching the elements in the said index. So this is our code. So we have here our main method. So we first create our array by prompting the user to input an array size, and yes, to input the array. Then we choose the um, algorithm, whether linear or binary search. So you either enter one or two. So for the two algorithm, linear and binary, we create two methods. So we have um, binary search and linear search. So this will be put inside a case break. So whenever um we you can whenever you choose number will be directed to this um kaning case which contains the method. So first for linear search. So how does linear search work? So linear search so basically mag-search siya to the entire array by comparing um the search element to the uh array, yes, in array number. So example mo check siya sa unsang array, tas if ever makuha na niyang kuan, if equal ng number equal ng kuan elements sa index sa target, then we return the index index niya. Otherwise mo continue siya going until the last number, or kung ato ba siya sa kuan. So binary searching naman, it will cut um the the array size into two, and then comparing each sides to find which whether asa nakaposition ang imuhang um said element. So type run ng code. So tara siya. So enter the number of elements in the array. So kanang example we put 6, and then enter the elements of the array: 7, 5, 2, 4. No, ay, balik. Size of the array, then the elements 0, 7. By the way, for the binary search, dapat nakasorted siya daan. So nigamit ang library nga kuan code, which is array that array that sort. So we are to choose whether um binary or linear search. Enter choice, and then here we go. This is our um this is for searching binary search. Index, it is an index 0, so number 0. So for the second one, this is our this is our code. So for the second activity, so we have our main method. Sa the main method na to. Tara. So how this con works? So it's create an algorithm sa. So first you prompt the user to input the number of elements in the said array, and then put ka sa elements in that array. Then you will choose what sorting algorithm you employ on bubble sort, selection sort, and merge sort, merge sort. So in this code, we'll create three methods. So each method will be put inside a switch case. So each switch case contains the method to set um sorting algorithm. So case 1 will bubble sort, selection sort for case 2, and merge sort for case 3. So how does bubble sort work? So bubble sort work by comparing each element, so which is whether it's bigger than it swaps as a next new element, and so on. And for selection sort, so selection sort, um Moranges are every we take the first index of the elements the set array, then Moransya sa sa tanan nga array, it will check if nabay element nga mas lower pa sa first as a first nga element. So whenever nga ma-found siya og kanang lower number, iya siyang i-switch to that kan index position, and then and so on magpapalag sa switch. And for the merge sort, so merge sort is kind of hard, which I explained without visualization. So basically, mo siyang i-cut into 4, and then i-cut into 2, and then compare, and now we'll run the code. So enter the number of elements. So let's put 5. Enter 5 integers, so 5 integers. 2, 9, 8, 6, and 5. So pili ta sa nga sorting algorithm. So I'll choose selection sort. And then for selection sort, we have three steps, 2, 5, 8, 6, 10, then swap siya sa 8 to 69. So you have 10 comparisons and 2 swaps of error. So the final result is 2, 5, 6, 8, and 9. So nakainutan na ni kung pwede pa ka mo pili balik. You can choose whether to continue or to exit. So let's try again, bubble sort. 2, 9, 3, 1. Ano siya?